Hi everyone, it's Oz Diecast here from Australia. Today we have the 2016 Hot Wheels Rad Truck Series 79 Ford F-150. This truck again is part of the 8 model Walmart exclusive series. And this casting is from 1999 and it is its 8th colour. And again, we've got the nice smoky burnouts on the card there. So let's open this one up to have a closer look. Okay, so we've got a style side with a plastic canopy with moulded windows, and they're not transparent. It's a metallic copper with black, red and yellow stripes on the bonnet and the sides. It has a chrome plastic base, a black interior, clear windows and chrome 5-spoke wheels. Okay, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the latest Oz Diecast reviews. Have a cool car day.